Low approach, how you doing? American 268 is with you, leveling at 10,000 and slowing down. Preferential aircraft.
American 268, you'll go right in, fly heading 240.
Okay, 240, we'll do that now, and we'd like a little bit of room behind us. We've got some almost no indications in the cockpit.
Okay. American 268, fuel sold aboard.
This is 20,100 pounds and we're under gross weight.
American 268 is going to maintain 8,000.
Down to 8,268.
American 268 maintains 5,000. That was 60, actually 130 for that emergency.
That's 130. 268, turn and final approach inbound.
American 268, roger. And do you have any idea what speed it's going to be doing?
No, I don't know. We're still playing with it. We're about 180 right now.
Okay.
5,000. 268 needs descent.
American 268, just going to maintain 2,500, report the airport of sight.
Okay, 2,500, we'll call it. 268 for its tower.
American 268, did you ever get the airport in sight?
Still looking, we're busy.
Okay,
we'll call it. It should be a little bit. There's a lot of... Okay, airport in sight now, 268.
American 268, clear vision approach 22 right, contact with tower 126.9, the speed is your discretion.
Okay, 269, we'll see you.
Can't accept any hold short there, we're getting big trouble.
American 268 inbound, we're declaring an emergency now.
American 268, understand declaring an emergency, runway 22 right, clear to land, wind 0708, full length available, cruise on standby.
Okay, thank you. Keep the room behind us clear and clear to land, American 268.
1,000 at 679. Virgin 39 heavy, approach clearance canceled, maintain 7,000, fly present heading.
Present heading, maintain 7,000, Virgin 39.
Divert 295 heavy, are you here?
Tango, and then Alpha 7 for the current wings.
Got left turn at Alpha 7, spirit wings 220. It'll be a left turn at Alpha 7. Then it's going to be Alpha Hotel Papa the Alpha. United 13, stop there till all the emergency vehicles are out of the way.
United maintenance 13, roger. Oh, that was just 690?
That was 6690, turn left heading 100.
100, let's go 6690.
Fever 295 heavy, go around, climb maintain 2,500, stay on the localizer for now.
Go around, climb maintain 2,500, stay on the localizer, Fever 295.
At 4,000, Virgin Ridge. United 679, maintain 4,000, continue on the localizer, you'll be going around, wind 100 at 8.
679.